What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com, and I want to show you how you can get paid to listen to music. Very, very simple app. Well, this is not an app, this is a website, but free to sign up. I will leave the link to this in the description. But before I show you this, I want to encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel. I'm always showing people how to make money completely free online. So subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my videos because I'm showing people how to make money online completely free. All right, so here's this website, Slice the Pie. Website I've been using a very long time. I'm going to actually cash out. You see here at the top, I have $10.26. The minimum you need to cash out on this site is $10. Now, like I said, you can get paid to listen to music, but they also have other things you can do. You can get paid to kind of, help review some branding companies, also some video concepts, different ways you can get paid. So I'm just going to show you real quick the music section. So when you come here, you just click on music after you sign up for your account and all that stuff, and a song will play. You basically encourage right here, you see you need to listen to at least 90 seconds before you can submit your review. So basically what you'll do is you'll type a review in this section right here, and then you will rate it. What you think, 0 to 10. It doesn't really matter what you rate it, they just want to make sure you fill out all of these. It's completely your opinion. There is no disqualifying. So whatever song you see, just rate it honestly. Just that's simple. So what I'll do here is I'll review this. So I'm going to listen to this song. Like I say, you at least listen to it at least 90 seconds, and then you review it. So I'm going to do that real quick. So you see there, I reviewed it. Basically, if you're wondering how long your review needs to be, what you'll see as you kind of notice when I was typing, this orange bar was filling up. Basically, the bar needs to be full. You cannot submit a review if the bar is not full. So basically, just make sure that whatever you're typing, that is completely, the orange bar is completely full. And don't just type a whole bunch of nonsense because that will get your account deleted. So I'm just going to go through and rate it. Like I said, it doesn't really matter what you rate it. You can be completely honest. If you put all zeros, they're not going to disqualify you or kick you out, anything like that. So I'm just going to go through and just put on what I thought about the song. Um, very simple here. There's a few of them. Like I said, you just push the numbers, click on the number that you want to rate it, and after that, you will submit it. So right here, I will submit it. Just click submit. Just give it a few seconds, and then you'll see right there, well done, your review of this song, Every Time I Cry by Ava Maxwell. You see I got 17 cents for doing that. So, I mean, there's money in here. That was one song, a minute and a half. I made 17 cents for just reviewing the song. Like I said, there's no disqualifications when it comes to this. Just, listen to the song for 90 seconds, type in your review, make sure the orange bars fill, then go back and, just at these bottom, just continue to rate the songs. Like I said, you can cash out at $10. I've been using the site for a very long time. It's one of my favorite sites to use just because, sometimes it gives you a break from taking surveys and things like that. I do a lot of surveys. And so, when I get to come on to a website, it's going to allow me to listen to music and at the same time get paid. It's very refreshing. Like I said, it's kind of a shift of gears, a break from doing surveys and offers. So if you have trouble doing surveys, this is one of the sites that I recommend for you. Just get paid to listen to music. Also, you saw the beginning. Let me see if I can go back just to show you the home page real quick. Let me click on, yeah, right here. You can get paid to do other things as well, not just music. You'll get paid for all of these. And, like I said, you just go through and review them. Some of them, I know with the branding, they'll ask you questions or stuff like that. Just type in your honest review and, you get paid just like I did for that, one song. So I encourage you guys to sign up for this site. The link to this site is in the description. Click on it, create your free account, and start getting paid to listen to music. Also, if you're interested in knowing how to make even more money, I encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the websites and apps that I personally use in order to make $150 every single day. And if you want to know how to do that step by step, I encourage you to book a session. The link to that will be in the description as well. Or you can go to my website, pennies1000s.com, click on the book of sessions tab, and I can show you how you can make $150 every single day, step by step. All right. So get started with that as well. Click on the link in the description for this website. Start getting paid to listen to music. And always remember, every penny counts.